Good afternoon, it's Jonathan here at NASA at Big Tree Harare, and I'm doing a quick squiz of NASA before we paint the room tomorrow. You can see we're all storing up our goods here, trying to cram it all in to get some room to paint. Anyway, we're doing some painting. Painting as in painting the room rather than painting a picture. You can see the room better there. There's a bit of muck on the ceiling. It's going to be painted. Anyway, there you go. Have a sense of where we're going with the painting. Good afternoon from Jonathan here at NASA at Big Tree Harare. Thanks for watching and have a super day. Good evening, Jonathan here. After 2 days of painting, we are getting somewhere. You can see this place is a bright white color now. Everything has been hoofed into the center. And it's looking sweet, huh? Yeah. Here we are at NASA at Big Tree Harare, and we're looking at white paint. Jeez. So there you have it. All my stuff. Blue. All shiny and white. And the next thing is to do some curtains, and we thought of getting a futon for this room for me to sleep on. So anyone who's got a futon, let us know. We're happy to pay a few dollars for it. Anyway, there we go. NASA at Big Tree Harare, renovations. All happening here. There's the Zimbabwe evening. Bit of blue sky, some lovely clouds, a few herbs. So there you have it. NASA at Big Tree Harare. Good afternoon. It's Jonathan here at NASA at Big Tree Harare. And we're doing a before and after. This is the after. The room has been painted a bright white color. You can see it's all pretty and white. Everything's smart and clean. Going in here, you can see my room. The wardrobe needs a coat of paint. But other than that, it's looking very nice. Eh? Look at that beautifully newly painted room. My Mac, my tarot cards. Some loo. Shower curtain needs to be put up. Paint. We've been camping out in the White House for 2 days. Don't trip up. Some books. And I wanted to show you my setup here on Africa. The map of Africa. See that Out of Africa LP? And Out of Africa by Karen Blixen. Out of Africa. Crispin Matakenya's painting reminds me of Kenya from Out of Africa. Pots and pans. And we're just about done. That's NASA at Big Tree Harare, newly painted. This is the display of bottles outside NASA at Big Tree Harare, and a very well-worn Paul Klee painting. NASA, Big Tree Harare. My Google advert. Google ads. And my herb garden doing well. Potted herb garden. Thyme, sweet basil, oregano, and some lavender, English lavender on either side, and Margaret Roberts lavender in the middle. There we go. And the entrance to Big Tree Harare. We also have some crystals on display, and a little sculpture of a dove. And there you go. Newly painted. NASA.